Our journey begins amidst towering pine logs, the raw essence of every matchstick, gathered from sustainable forests.
Each log, carefully selected and transported, marks the initial step in a meticulous process, ensuring quality from the outset.
Skilled hands meticulously inspect each log for flaws, a crucial first check ensuring only the finest wood proceeds.
From inspection, logs transition to the automated conveyor, embarking on their journey through the factory's sophisticated machinery. Inside the debarking machine, rough bark is swiftly removed, unveiling the pristine wood essential for matchstick creation.
Emerging pristine and uniform, the debarked logs continue their journey, a testament to the factory's precise preparation.
Automated precision sorts each debarked log by size and quality, ensuring optimal material for every matchstick.
Next, the smooth logs meet powerful saws, carefully sectioned for the critical next stages of production.
With incredible force and precision, the saw transforms logs into smaller, manageable sections, ready for further refinement.
These carefully cut log sections are then systematically stored, awaiting their transformation into the iconic matchstick form. Precise environmental controls ensure optimal wood conditioning, a vital step for achieving the perfect matchstick consistency.
Embedded sensors continuously monitor moisture content, guaranteeing each wood section meets rigorous quality standards.
Perfectly conditioned, the wood sections advance to the rotary peeler, where they begin their incredible transformation.
Much as a razor-sharp blade transforms solid wood into a continuous, delicate veneer, the very essence of a matchstick.
From the peeler, a wide, continuous sheet of wood veneer emerges, smooth and ready for the next precise cut. Pristine veneer reveals its delicate grain, each sheet a testament to natural beauty and meticulous processing standards.
With unwavering precision, the veneer sheet approaches the cutting blades, poised for its next crucial transformation.
Dozens of razor-sharp blades slice the veneer into perfectly uniform strips, a symphony of precision and efficiency. These perfectly uniform wood strips, the foundational elements, glide smoothly towards their next critical stage.
Every strip undergoes rigorous quality inspection by skilled technicians, ensuring only perfection continues through production.
Thousands of wood strips enter the controlled drying oven, preparing them for the delicate process of matchstick formation. Inside the oven's gentle warmth, the wood strips slowly dry, perfecting their structure for the matchstick's precise form. Perfectly dried, the wood strips emerge, their ideal state achieved, ready for the intricate process of matchstick shaping.
Finally, the dried wood strips enter the intricate matchstick cutting machine, moments away from their final form. In a flurry of precision, countless matchsticks are punched from the wood strips, each one perfectly formed.
A satisfying cascade of newly formed matchsticks tumbles onto the conveyor, aligning perfectly for the next stage.
In perfect rows, each matchstick glides along, awaiting the crucial dipping process that will ignite its purpose.
Held in precise grids, matchsticks dip into the chemical bath, receiving their ignitable tips with perfect uniformity.
Emerging from the bath, each matchstick tip glows with its new, ignitable coating, ready for drying.
Coated matchsticks enter the drying chamber, where controlled warmth prepares their tips for perfect ignition. Within the chamber, each matchstick tip slowly dries, solidifying its ignitable compound for reliable performance. Fully dried and perfectly formed, the matchstick tips emerge, poised for their final stages of quality control.
Advanced optical systems meticulously scan each matchstick, instantly detecting and removing any imperfections, ensuring perfection.
Any detected imperfection triggers immediate ejection, ensuring only flawless matchsticks proceed to final packaging.
Even with automation, human expertise conducts final spot checks, ensuring every matchstick meets our rigorous standards. Each matchstick undergoes a strength test, a testament to its durable wood and robust construction.
Countless matchsticks are precisely loaded into automated packaging machines, each box awaiting its perfect count. Intricate mechanisms precisely count and arrange matchsticks into perfect bundles, ready for their final home.
Empty matchboxes enter the automated line, transforming from flat cardboard into perfectly shaped containers, ready for filling.
With satisfying precision, a perfect bundle of matchsticks is swiftly inserted into its vibrant, waiting box.
Filled matchboxes glide along the conveyor, each one a vibrant testament to precision, heading for sealing.
With exacting precision, each matchbox is sealed, protecting its contents and ensuring quality until its use.
A final human inspection ensures every sealed matchbox is flawless, ready for the world.
Bundled and shrink-wrapped, these matchboxes are now perfectly prepared for efficient distribution worldwide. Each bundle receives its unique label, a final touch of branding and crucial information for its journey. Robotic precision stacks bundles onto pallets, creating stable, organized units ready for global distribution. Each loaded pallet is securely shrink-wrapped, ensuring every matchbox reaches its destination in perfect condition.
The finished products embark on their journey, carefully loaded onto trucks, ready to reach homes worldwide. From our factory doors, millions of matchsticks begin their global journey, connecting communities, igniting possibilities.
Finally, on store shelves, our matchboxes await, ready to become a small yet essential part of everyday life. From our hands to yours, each matchbox holds the potential for countless moments, big and small.
The satisfying strike, a tiny spark, then a vibrant flame, or the culmination of its meticulous creation.
From a single match, warmth and light spread, illuminating moments of comfort and connection in our homes.
In nature's embrace, our match ignites a campfire, sparking warmth, stories, and unforgettable outdoor memories.
From humble kitchens to professional culinary spaces, our match provides the spark for countless delicious creations.
For moments of quiet contemplation, a match ignites the gentle warmth of a pipe, a timeless ritual.
Creating moments of tranquility, a match ignites incense, filling spaces with calming aromas and peaceful energy.
Beyond utility, matchboxes become art, gracing boutique shelves as cherished design objects, beautiful and functional.
From faded classics to modern art, matchboxes tell stories, preserving history and evolving artistic expression. Even in childhood play, matchboxes spark imagination, transforming into building blocks for creative worlds. Even as a tiny gift box, the matchbox delights, proving its versatility and charm in unexpected ways.
Sparking joy in celebrations, a match brings light to birthday candles, illuminating wishes and cherished memories.
Sparking joy in celebrations, a match brings light to birthday candles, illuminating wishes and cherished memories.
Even as a tiny gift box, the matchbox delights, proving its versatility and charm in unexpected ways.
In every matchbox, a small, quiet power resides,
waiting to ignite moments, big and small, in our lives.
With skilled hands and unwavering focus, operators guide raw logs, beginning their precise transformation into matchsticks.
Each raw log undergoes meticulous inspection, ensuring only the highest quality wood is selected for matchstick production. Vast log stores, meticulously organized, await their turn, a testament to the raw materials' journey within the factory. Automated precision guides each log into the debarking machine, initiating its first major transformation.
Inside, powerful blades expertly strip away bark, revealing the pristine wood essential for quality matchsticks.
Even after automation, skilled eyes perform a final check, ensuring every debarked log meets our exact standards.
Within climate-controlled chambers, wood undergoes precise conditioning, perfecting its structure for the matchstick's journey.
Perfectly conditioned, the wood's smooth texture signifies its readiness for the intricate rotary peeling process.
Automated precision feeds conditioned wood into the rotary peeler, a ballet of engineering and material transformation. Witness the mesmerizing ballet, a continuous, delicate veneer unfurling from the rotating log, raw beauty revealed.
Human expertise meticulously inspects each veneer sheet, ensuring flawless quality before further processing.
Razor-sharp blades descend, transforming wide veneer into countless uniform strips, a symphony of precision.
Thousands of newly cut wood strips cascade onto conveyors, a flowing river of pale wood, ready for drying. Operators meticulously fine-tune drying oven settings, ensuring ideal conditions for perfectly prepared wood strips.
Within the oven's embrace, wood strips subtly transform, shedding moisture for ultimate stability and quality.
Perfectly dried, wood strips are gathered in hoppers, poised for their ultimate transformation into matchsticks.
Before the final cut, every dried strip receives a meticulous human inspection, ensuring absolute perfection.
Witness the incredible speed. Precision dies punch out matchsticks, a mesmerizing ballet of rapid creation. Thousands of matchsticks flow across a vast conveyor network, each one a testament to the factory's immense output.
Expert technicians diligently monitor the chemical dipping process, ensuring every matchstick receives its perfect, ignitable coating.
Matchstick tips descend into the vibrant chemical, emerging transformed, ready to spark into life.
Thousands of freshly dipped matchsticks slowly cure in the extensive drying chamber, perfecting their ignitable tips.
Perfectly dried, each matchstick tip stands as a testament to precision, ready for its final destination.
At the final automated station, every matchstick undergoes rigorous checks, ensuring only perfection reaches consumers.
Across the bustling packaging floor, matchsticks become finished products, ready for their journey to homes worldwide. With a satisfying click, each perfectly filled matchbox closes, securing its contents, ready for its purpose. Freshly bundled and labeled, these matchboxes are stacked, awaiting their journey from factory to customer.
Across the vast warehouse, pallets of matchboxes move with purpose, each a step closer to global distribution.
At our bustling loading docks, countless matchboxes embark on diverse journeys, destined for homes across the world. From raw wood to a spark in your hand, the Matchstick Factory's journey ignites the world, one box at a time.